In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on meeting reminders in HubSpot. Let's dive right in and get your notifications working smoothly. To begin, we'll need to access the user guide on HubSpot. Open up your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. It's essential to have access, as the settings we're about to adjust are specific to your user preferences. Click on the user guide link provided on the home page. This area is designed to help you navigate through various HubSpot features and settings. Once you've landed on the user guide page, your next step is to locate the settings. This is your control center, where you can customize a wide array of options to suit your needs. Look for the settings icon, which is often represented by a small cogwheel. Clicking here will lead you into HubSpot's settings section, an important area where many of your preferences come into play. With the settings opened, the next place we'll visit is the meetings section. This is crucial because the option to toggle meeting reminders resides here. When you're in settings, look down the list on the left-hand side for the meetings option. It sometimes hides amongst other user preferences. Clicking on meetings will bring up all the associated configurations, giving you the power to shape how meetings fit into your workflow. Here's where the magic happens. Within the meetings settings, you're going to find an option labeled Turn on Meeting Reminders by default. This is the key feature that ensures you receive timely alerts for all your upcoming meetings. By turning this on, you'll never miss out on important sessions, allowing you to prepare and participate fully every time. Simply click the toggle or checkbox next to Turn on Meeting Reminders by default. Once that's done, your meeting reminders will be activated, keeping you in the loop with all your scheduled activities. As a general tip, remember that keeping your notifications managed efficiently can significantly enhance productivity. It allows you to focus on tasks at hand while ensuring you're notified of meetings in a timely manner. If you find the reminders overwhelming or not matching your schedule, the settings can always be revisited for adjustments. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to turn on meeting reminders in HubSpot, keeping your agenda on track and helping you make the most out of your meetings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you muster control over your schedule with ease. Stay organized and see you in the next video.